And this is simply combing out the dreadlock. We're going to start out by using a comb. You can comb your dreadlocks out at any stage, whether you've had them in for a year, 2 years, and really as long as you've ever had your dreadlocks in, you can always comb them out. But keep in mind, when combing out the dreadlock, there's going to be hair that actually comes out. But I hope you guys are happy because in this video, I'm going to show you what to do with all the extra hair that comes out of combing out the dreadlock. But when combing out the dreadlock, make sure to take it little by little. Don't do it in big chunks because you're going to have a lot of breakage. Because remember, all the hair that comes out of combing out the dreadlock isn't breakage. It's just hair that has fallen off into the dreadlock and is no longer attached to your scalp. So it's okay if that hair falls out, but you want to prevent any hair that is attached to your scalp to come out. And it's always good to just take it step by step. Don't rush things. Once everything's thoroughly combed out, let's go ahead and create that section that we need. And I'm going to be doing 2, but you can do as many as you would like based on the sizes you want to accomplish. And then you're going to lock everything back up using the crochet hook. If you want to know how to use the Greatlocs crochet hook like a pro, make sure to join the Greatlocs Masterclass. Not only do you get the dreadlock tools, but I personally teach you how to use these, and I teach you the secrets to becoming a loctician so that you can not only do your own dreadlocks, but you can do others and get paid. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do with this extra hair. We're simply going to wash the hair and reinstall it. Now, since this hair isn't attached to the head, we are going to be using Dawn dish soap, and this is perfect for getting rid of buildup. You can also use this on your dreadlocks that are actually attached to your head, but I wouldn't recommend it as a regular shampoo. This will clean off the hair perfectly and have it ready to be reinstalled. Now, when it comes to installing it, you're going to be using the Greatlocs crochet hook. So you want to take the washed hair and then palm roll it back into somewhat of a dreadlock, and then butt it up next to your actual dreadlock tip, and then reinstall it using the Greatlocs crochet hook. And it's really as simple as that. Not only did you comb out your dreadlock, but you maintained your length by reinstalling the hair that it came out. That's a simple trick that a lot of people don't do when it comes to combing out your actual dreadlocks and redoing them.